guys how I turn this into this. All right, let's put this beauty on. Now, if you are new here, go ahead and pause. Let me show you guys how I put this underneath the clips. It's very easy, okay? And just like that. But what I love most about a half unit is its versatility. Look, I can pull all the hair up. There's no line of demarcation. I have my natural edges out. And again, this is the natural body wave texture. You can also pull the hair all the way up into a nice ponytail. So good. It is very easy. A few products and a good unit like this one will take you far. Get into it, you need it, okay?